In this video, I'm going to share with you some secrets to affiliate marketing automation so you can put your business on autopilot and start to generate commissions even while you're sleeping. But before I do that, let's go ahead and roll the intro. So I remember back around 2013, I was working as a waiter at a restaurant called Chili's in Texas. I was slaving away for hours on my feet, and I just wanted a way to be able to make money passively, passive income, money coming in while I'm hanging out with my friends and family or relaxing in my ideal vacation spot, sinking my toes in the sand of a beach, and I check my phone and I see, congratulations, I just made a commission, right? And I started researching and I tried a lot of different ways to make money. I tried surveys, I tried drop shipping, I tried, trading Forex. I tried tons of different things. And I finally stumbled across affiliate marketing because it has very few moving pieces, right? It's just sending people to a link and then converting those people into sales. But a lot of people are doing affiliate marketing very manually. And that's what I realized. A lot of people are constantly posting, they're constantly creating content, they're constantly, following up with people manually. And that wasn't my style. I'm pretty introverted. I don't like repetition. I don't like things that are very tedious. I like things that are just working while I'm not there. And so I started really focusing over the years on how to automate my entire business, where I only do about 5% of the work and 95% is automated. And that's what I want to share with you in this video. I want to share with you the secrets that I learned to literally automate almost 100% of my business so you can do the same thing as well. So before I break down exactly how to implement this, I first have to share with you affiliate marketing is really simple. There's two main pieces to make affiliate marketing work for you. It's traffic and conversions. It's getting people to click your link and then it's converting those people into sales. That's it. A lot of people overcomplicate it. It's really that simple. So when it comes to traffic and conversions, you can use different tools, different principles to automate both of these pieces so you can literally be sleeping and still generating commissions. So the first piece is traffic. So when you want to do traffic on autopilot, you want to focus on specific traffic sources. For example, if you want to create content, which if you do free traffic, most of it is content creation. It's going to social media, it's making posts. Now, if you do, let's say Facebook, the livelihood of a content piece is only about a day. It's about 24 hours. When you make a post on Facebook, it's going to get pushed down and promoted only about a day, and then you have to post again. So if you focus on Facebook, every single day you have to show up to your business and post. If you go to Twitter and you focus on Twitter, for example, that's even way less. That's about an hour. So you post a tweet, it's going to last for about an hour before it's pushed down and you have to constantly post. So one way you can actually do it very passively is focus on blogging. So this is a blog I actually found. I typed in a keyword, affiliate marketing explained. This blog appeared. Now this blog was written back in October 2018 and it's still ranking on Google and it's still showing up. So this guy here, Pat Flynn, which I'm actually aware of him, he's a marketer. This guy created this blog post and he's still making money, right? So what you can do is you can focus on blogging. It's very passive. You create a blog, you target a specific keyword in the title and you sprinkle it throughout the article. And then you put different links leading people to your affiliate offers. And this way is when you're posting, okay, what it's doing is you're planting seeds. So you're basically, with every article, every blog, you're planting a seed. And over time, these are going to start ranking in Google and you can start to create income very passively. Another way is YouTube. Okay, so I mainly focus on YouTube and I love YouTube because once you post a video, this video stays relevant for years. I have some videos that I've posted 5 years ago and I'm still getting leads and sales. So it's very simple. You can post a couple videos a week. In fact, I actually have a training directly below in the description, that link. It's a training on how I'm personally generating 70 plus leads a day using YouTube videos on total autopilot. And the cool thing with the training below is when you watch that training, you don't even have to show your face in the videos and you don't even have to create the videos yourself. as you'll see with some of the tips I share. So YouTube is an incredible way to do it because, again, they last for a very long time. TikTok. TikTok is another place, okay? I use TikTok because it's incredibly automated. Once you post a video, this video will keep getting pushed for about 90 days. YouTube is even longer, okay? Your video will stay ranked for, years. TikTok, it's about 3 months. So TikTok will keep showing your video to people for about 90 days. So that's incredibly automated. And what you want to do is you want to put your link in your bio, okay? You want to tell people to go to the link in your bio. Now, before you get to 1,000 followers, you can't put your link in your bio, so you could tell people to follow you. And then once you start getting people following you, you can put your link in your bio. With YouTube, you want to put your link in the description. With blogging, you want to put your link throughout the article. And one other automated traffic source, if you have some money, is Udemy. Okay, so Udemy is basically what's called solo ads. So you can go here and you can actually pay. This guy's like 40 cents per click, and you can pay and they will send an email to their list of subscribers and they can promote whatever link you want to promote. And again, they will start delivering it on autopilot. Okay, so you will literally be out and away doing whatever you want, shopping, relaxing, watching a movie, and they will be getting traffic for you. Okay, now the next piece is once you actually start getting traffic on autopilot, how do we convert these people passively, right? How do we start creating sales on autopilot? Because you don't just want to send people directly to your affiliate link. Most people are not going to buy right away. So what we can do is we can use something called a funnel. So this is an example of one of my funnels. And what I'll do is I'll send people, let's say from TikTok or YouTube, to something like this. And when they click this button, it asks them to put their name and email. Okay, so this is a way to capture your prospects' information. And what happens is when they put their name and email and they click this button, it redirects them now to my affiliate link, but it also collects their email. And if you use something also called an email autoresponder service, for example, GetResponse, which is only about $30 a month when you first start, and they actually have a free trial, okay? What you can do is you can attach your email autoresponder to your funnel, and then you can pre-write emails that will start following up with your leads on autopilot. So you can preset specific messages that will follow up one day at a time, sending people to your affiliate link. So you can create infinite emails. Usually I do 7 to 12 emails, 7 to 14 if I really want to make sure I follow up people good, but at least 7 that will start following up with your leads one day at a time. And again, what this is doing is allowing you to literally be away and generating income on autopilot. What you're doing is you're focusing on traffic sources that are automated. Again, they're running in the background while you're away, YouTube, TikTok, blogging. And then you're sending people to a funnel while you're away. And then those emails that are following up with people while you're away. And you will literally start to see emails coming in saying, congratulations, you just earned another commission. Congratulations, you just made another sale while you're even sleeping. And again, like I said, this is what I've really focused on over the last 5 or 6 years because I didn't want to slave away. I didn't want to be on my computer all day. I didn't want to have to constantly post and message people. I just wanted to be working passively. So these are just some key secrets. Obviously, you can go way deeper. And I have that link below where you can actually see step-by-step how to create simple videos. Again, you don't even have to show your face and you don't even have to create the videos yourself. I have a piece in there, a tip to create videos or to get other people to create the videos as well. That's it for today's video. If you got value, like the video. Also subscribe to the bell icon. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos just like this, going way further. And I really, really am excited to share this with you. So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.